What hidden secrets in the Dead Sea Scrolls suggest advanced knowledge among the ancient Egyptians? The Dead Sea Scrolls, discovered between 1947 and 1956, are among the most significant archaeological finds of the 20th century. While mainly linked to ancient Judaism, some theories suggest connections to the advanced knowledge of ancient Egyptians. The scrolls feature precise astronomical calculations, similar to the Egyptians' expertise in astronomy. Some texts contain symbols resembling Egyptian hieroglyphs, indicating cultural exchanges. Additionally, medical recipes and natural remedies in the scrolls reflect advanced medical knowledge akin to that of the Egyptians. Engineering techniques described parallel those used in constructing Egyptian monuments. These connections reveal a rich exchange of knowledge between ancient civilizations, deepening our understanding of that historical period. Subscribe our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.